Success has noise, and loud is what we do best. When the Lamborghini Urus comes to Wraptors, you know it's about to get crazy.
Everything okay? The price always goes up 1,000.
Some people buy Urus and keep it stock. We like to add the Wraptors flavor on top. If Wraptors didn't wrap it, ask yourself this. As you guys know, I got multiple vehicles. I enjoy cars, but I don't know much about cars. But I do like them custom, all right? So this project here, we call it the Project BBL. Nightmare on its own, and this was a 3-year-long project that I took on and didn't think I'm gonna ever complete it. Abdullah called me one day and said, Stas, I got an unbelievable deal. You gotta come down real quick. I have a Lamborghini Urus that's been involved in a collision. I said, say no more, I'm flying out the next day. He said, nope, you gotta make it today because this car is gonna be sold within the next 24 hours. So I made my way over to Ottawa and saw this Lamborghini Urus 2020. So when I came and saw the vehicle, it seemed like a minor damage to me. It was a right wheel was hit, a fender. We went and offered the customer a price, which was a steal on its own. Like, I'm not gonna mention the pricing, but I'm telling you, the price was unbelievable. You will never see a Urus price that low. Came to a conclusion and we signed the deal. I gave him a bag, flew back to Toronto, and kind of neglected that car for the next couple of weeks, let it sit there. Throughout the journey, I get a call, and Abdullah from Wraptors Ottawa mentions that the engine possibly is gone. As you guys know, Lamborghini engines are not cheap. You know, knowing the price that I paid for it, I was willing to go deep into this project and really take on, this situation and address it correctly. We towed the car back to Toronto and we shipped it straight to our Wraptors Performance. The car was stripped and we went with analyzing the car, and it was confirmed that the engine was gone.
How hard is it once we get it off and move it?
I got it on with a strap, but right now we're a couple of guys with the guys inside. We can move it. On the bottom can maybe crack, but that's the full part of the engine. That's where all the cranking and everything.
I think Stas and his projects are crazy.
Last leave, eh? Can you get those?
Oh, it's stuck here. I didn't hit it that hard, babe. It was like, literally, like it felt like a little bump. It didn't even feel like I hit anything. It's not that bad. Look at it. Just order a new bumper. Oh, it's leaking. You have a pan thingy?
I should bring my front door. Somebody close the door.
We're gonna make it?
Yeah.
So I made some calls to Miami. We found a scrapper over there, so it's gonna cost me an arm and a leg. So I left the project alone. It was sitting in the Wraptors Performance for the next month or so. I actually put it up for sale because I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna get myself involved in it. I'm gonna make an extra $10,000, call it a day. When I put it up for sale, I got crazy amount of demands for it. And for some reason, I just had a change of heart. So we shipped it over to our friends over at Megatronics, the graveyard of Lamborghinis. The car sat there for a year and 2 months. God spoke to me in ways and brought me a friend of mine that actually had an engine. So not knowing what the hell I'm really buying, I end up getting just a shell of the engine. So no spark plugs, no wires, just a complete freaking shell. Long story short, a year and a half later, I get a call from Numa and he FaceTimes me and says, I have good news. The engine is healthy, the engine is active, the engine does work.
What's up, brother?
Smiling. All these years of me following you, man.
What's up, big
Taking things.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Wraptors.
Yes, sir.
Been following you for a minute.
Keep it pushing. I appreciate you. I appreciate you a lot, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Doing something wrong in my business. Fuck. Gotta learn from the money guys.
What's up, buddy? How are you? Hands good? What's going on?
This is cool. Here, look up the fucking beast. Holy fuck. The price always goes up 1,000 every time I come around.
Oh, the amount of shit that they went up, we should have been more than that. But this is not your car, though.
No, fortunately not. Everything okay?
Everything's good, yes. I took it for a quick test
Yeah?
drive.
Okay.
It's all great.
Teach me your business. Teach me your business.
Oh, bro,
I'm
wish
gonna
I could
learn.
teach
Yeah,
you.
and teach me. Imagine how much money he's making. Nima, how much money you making? Like, fucking save some for the guys, bro. 106 DWZ. Let's go. Back on the road.
Everything is peeling up. Okay. Let me pull it
Yeah,
down.
start it. Yeah, see.
Look, I didn't do a
Yeah, I know,
overall
I know,
inspection,
I know,
right?
I know,
So
I
what
know.
you have to do is just
Yeah.
go through the control lines, make sure everything's
Got
tight.
it. Okay.
And
You just did the coating.
yeah.
Yeah.
And as I said, the headlights, both
Yes.
headlights were different.
You fixed it,
So
yeah.
we coated it
Yeah,
to the car.
yeah.
These headlights
So
are
now
different.
no codes on.
No,
Except
like
suspension.
everything's
Yeah.
the radars,
Yeah.
active cruise control,
Everything working.
Suspension, even suspension is off.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you,
okay,
buddy.
buddy.
Thank you.
Let me
Ciao.
see,
Ciao.
I gave you the right key.
Thank you.
All right, buddy.
All right.
Take care.
Ciao.
See you later.
What's up, girl?
We shipped the car back to Ottawa. Was able to put it back together, PPF the rear trunk and the fenders and the bumpers, and shipped the car back to me. Finally got the car back, but as you know, Mr. Wraptors does not like basics. It has to match my personality, has to match what I really enjoy and what I drive. Crystal, my wife, and Eamon behind the camera drove. And I get a call that the car is overheating. I said, what do you mean it's overheating? And you're still driving? They said, yes. I said, oh my God. As you guys know, there's a high chance that the engine blew. So I called Nima back. I said, Nima, the car is overheating. This is the second time it is being on the road. It was fine with me, but now the car is leaking and overheating. I don't know what's going on. So at this time, I'm completely fed up with this Urus. I want it gone. I don't want nothing to do with it. We tow it back to Nima. Nima said there was a sensor and a water pump issue. It's a very minimal thing. $1,500, replaced it. We're back on the road. Now I'm having anxiety driving this car because I don't know what the hell I'm getting myself into. What else is going to go wrong? But now I'm excited and I want to start this project, complete transformation with a BBL Mansory kit on it. To me, it seems simple. I mean, you take the bumpers off, you put the new bumpers on, you put the fenders on, you put some spacers, some new rims, and the car's ready to go. Apparently not. So we brought the car over to our Wraptors Collision Center, and that became a freaking nightmare. But now the fitment of the wheels looks like crap, just doesn't suit my personality, doesn't match, and now I'm scared. We shipped it back to our Wraptors Mississauga head office. I was undecisive on the colors. I was going to do the fade just like the Lamborghini Aventador. Then I wanted to do the mocha fade. Then I wanted to do the green. So I was very, very undecisive. So when I flew over to Mexico, the guys paused all the production in the shop and jumped on the Lamborghini Urus. I came back to a surprise.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, for the last 2 weeks, Mr. Wraptors has been on vacation. He hasn't seen the Urus. He doesn't know what color we wrapped it in. But right now, it's time to reveal the Urus to him. Is he gonna like it? Is he not gonna like it? We're gonna find out.
Today is a great day. Today I get to see the Urus. I gave you guys 3 options. I couldn't decide. You guys are very good at deciding options. Let's see what the guys came up with. I just came back from Mexico, from Tulum. I'm very excited to see the final result. Oh shit. Holy shit, this is a
Definitely looks incredible. I was ecstatic. I mean, they did the custom Mr. Wraptors calipers, and the fade was just unbelievable. It came from the Wraptors premium film. so the gloss is extra clear, and definitely looked out of this world. 1500 stars with the custom Galaxy star in there. It was an unbelievable project. So we brought all the cars out just to kind of see in the sunlight how the project is looking. I ChatGPT the freaking Cybertruck, I ChatGPT the stupid Urus. I'm gonna leave it up to my viewers. Please comment below. I'm going to show you the picture of rendering of the ChatGPT, how it looks. Should we leave the mocha? Should we go with the four-corner fade wrap, pink and white? Or should we just go with the original satin black, frozen black? I would like to hear your opinion. So this project is finally complete. BBL Urus, check mark.